Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to create Deepika Padukone's Cannes 2022 white saree look. I really loved it because it looked so elegant and so nicely done, and it was really sultry yet very gorgeous. My reference picture is this one. To start with, I have drawn a very distinct line to draw out my socket with a brown eyeshadow, but somehow it did not get recorded. But anyways, there's no rocket science in that. I just drew a line wherever my eye socket is, as you can see on the screen. Then taking a very muted color, I'm applying that all over my eyelid to give it a plain base. Then taking this shimmer shade from my e.l.f. palette, I think this looks very similar to the color Deepika had on her lids. Of course, if you have a different pigmentation or different skin tone, then you might require a slightly different color. For my skin tone, I think this looks perfectly, very in fact similar to what Deepika had on her lids. I saw Jovita recreate this look in one of her recent YouTube videos, and I loved the way she did it, so I wanted to do it too. Next, taking this golden shimmery shade from the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, I'm taking a little bit on my finger and just putting it in the center of my eyelid just to give it a little bit of highlight, but not too much. Next, taking a brown eyeliner, I am going to draw a clean winged liner. We can see very clearly in her photograph that she has not used a black eyeliner. In fact, it's more brown. So I'm taking this brown eyeliner Next, I'm mixing this brown color from the Nykaa palette and the black color from the Wet n Wild palette. And I would just smudge out that brown liner I just drew so as to avoid any harsh lines. And also to give it a slightly smoky look. Also using the same combination in my lower lash line. Next, I'm using some mascara on my eyelashes, after which I will go in with some falsies. Now I have already used my normal concealer and foundation, and now to brighten up under my eyes, I'm using a light shade concealer. Next, I'm using my favorite contour palette. As you can see, I've hit pan on it. In Deepika's photo, we can see that she doesn't have a very sharp contour, but she has kind of a circular contour shape that we can see in the photo. So I am also doing the same. I am very lightly using a very light hand with the contour, making a circular kind of contour shape. Right from below my cheekbones up to the temple area and a little above that, and also a little bit on the jawline. For the nose as well, we are keeping it very natural, very not so sharp contour. For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Blush and Highlighter Duo in the shade Lychee. The shade is a very muted pink, a very natural looking nude color, which I think is perfect for this look and very similar to what Deepika had done. Not applying too much, just keeping it very natural. I'm using the highlighter as well from the same palette and applying on the high points of my face, including the inner corners of my eyes. For the lips, I'm using the Nykaa brown lip liner from the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie range. It's a very beautiful nude brown color. For lipstick, I'm using the Nude Nuance from Maybelline. It is one of the most gorgeous nude colors that I have. And on top of it, I am also going to use my e.l.f. liquid lipstick to mute it furthermore and make it a little more pale as Deepika had worn. Next, to set everything in place, I am using the e.l.f. setting spray all over my face. The makeup is done. Now let's see how it looks like with the jewelry. So that's the finished look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. And guys, if you also enjoyed, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.